Hi everyone, so I'm really hungry. I'm gonna show you how to do a fast summer tortillas. So we're just gonna put tortilla here for about 1 minute on both sides. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare our dressing. And I'm really hungry, so we're not gonna complicate anything. We're gonna take some tuna, some corn. Basically take whatever you have in the fridge. This is gonna be a cold dressing. When tortilla is finished, we're putting another on a pan. I'm just gonna add a bit of pepper. We have our second tortilla with a nice bubble. So we're gonna add this pepper. I'm adding a bit of olive oil because it was also in tuna. A bit of lemon, because I love lemon. Some salt, some pepper, some dry basil. We mix nicely all together. You can also add some garlic or anything you want and you have. So you can add here just yogurt, but I'm gonna go with sour cream. We're gonna put it beside. So we mix this nicely. We're gonna add some sour cream. I'm adding some salad also beside. So this is perfect. These are gonna be so delicious tortillas with tuna and so refreshing. And this really is so fast to do. So let's make ourselves some tortilla. Yee! So what I usually do, first I just put a bit of salad. And then practically we will fill this salad with this. And as I said, you can put anything you have and you want, anything you love. And instead of sour cream, you can even put yogurt on. So like this, let's put here a bit. Now we're gonna add the sour cream. And we're gonna nicely, gently wrap these tortillas. I do it like this, and like this. Bon appetit! This is so delicious. You have to try this. Enjoy! If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Ciao. Have a lovely day. Ciao.